What's really special about the Rice Business Undergrad program is that a lot of our professors have a bunch of experience teaching in the MBA program. And so when they came to teach the undergrads, they brought that same level of academic rigor expectations and that same level of practical experience. And so they hold us to those standards that push us to be the best students that we can, while also getting exposure to all of the practical experience they have of working with those MBA students. And that's a really special combination that, for me, as I've gone out to do internships and now prepare for what I want to do after school, that's made me feel a lot more prepared and a lot more confident. I had never been to Texas before I set foot on campus for a week, and so I've loved exploring the amazing food scene, all of the awesome people. It's been a really fun experience. I think there's a couple great advantages to being in Houston. First, on the academic and professional side, obviously Rice is a big name here in Houston, and so all of the awesome professors that want to teach want to be at Rice. Everybody in the community knows about Rice, and so we do a ton of outreach into the community, have access to those kinds of resources. And for the professional side, all of the employers, right, when they're looking for the best talent in Houston and Texas, they all come to Rice. And so whatever you want to do, those employers will be here. Whatever you want to do in business here at Rice, there are folks who have done it and there are opportunities to do it. I personally got super interested in consulting. I'm a big people person. I'm really interested in trying different industries and solving different kinds of problems, and so that really drew me to consulting. And we have a ton of professors who have experience there, who have helped students get there, that help me understand what that field is like and what it takes to be successful there. And same for the CCD. Their advisors are all amazing, and so when I was trying to figure out how do you make the best resume, how do you write a great cover letter, how do you figure out how to do networking well, they had all that kind of experience to help me figure out what I needed to do to be successful. And Rice is amazing in that business is also something that you can study in addition to other things. So figure out what you are super passionate about, what's going to get you excited. I personally study both business and data science, so I get both the practical skills from business and the people skills, as well as some of the harder skills from the School of Engineering. And that's a great thing about Rice as a whole that lets you do that, and Rice Business that lets you take what you learn in the classroom and apply it across a range of fields.